For years, diagnosing a dying video or checking your channel for strikes meant being chained to a clunky desktop computer. But YouTube is rolling out an update to the Studio mobile app that completely solves this problem. By the end of this video, you will know how to perform a complete channel health audit, decode the new warning icons, and check your strike status entirely from your phone. Before we start, pause this video and check your phone's app store. You need to verify that your YouTube Studio app is updated to the newest version. Once you are updated, channel management stops being a stationary chore. It becomes a real-time reflex you can handle from anywhere. Open the Studio app and tap the Content tab at the bottom of your screen. Look for the newly added Notices column next to your videos. Whenever you upload a new video, it goes through an initial checking phase. After that finishes, YouTube now assigns a specific health icon right in this column. No icon means perfect health, guaranteeing full revenue and unrestricted reach. The yellow icon means a partial limitation, restricting reach and earnings due to guideline issues. Finally, the red icon means a complete limitation. The video is fully blocked, receiving 0 views and 0 monetization. Instantly recognizing these 3 states prevents you from having to guess why a specific video suddenly stopped getting views. YouTube has also introduced a brand new 4th state to this system, the gray icon, representing a potential limitation. If you see this, do not panic. A gray icon does not mean your video is penalized right now. Your content is still fully monetized and reaching your audience. The true function of the gray icon is to serve as an early warning system. It is an informational notice directly from YouTube, alerting you to a developing issue in your video's content or metadata. To find out exactly what is wrong, tap directly on the gray icon in your app. This reveals a detailed pop-up explaining the specific problem YouTube has flagged. You need to address the issue described in that box. Failing to fix it on your current or future uploads can escalate the warning into a yellow or red penalty. This setup shifts your workflow. Instead of reacting to dead videos, you can proactively fix your content before the algorithm restricts it. Now that we have individual videos covered, we need to check the structural health of your entire channel. Exit the Content tab and tap your profile picture in the corner. From that menu, select the newly added Account Status button. The top section of this new dashboard lets you instantly verify your standing. You can see active copyright strikes or community guideline warnings. Looking at the bottom section, verify your YouTube Partner Program and ensure AdSense is linked. Condensing these crucial back-end metrics into a single mobile page removes the anxiety of hidden channel strikes or broken monetization links. You now know how to perform a full pocket-sized channel audit. The primary benefit here is speed. Having color-coded diagnostics right on your phone saves you hours of manual troubleshooting and analytics reading. Your next step is straightforward. Open your app right now, hunt for any gray icons in your Content tab, and read the warnings. Fixing today's small gray warnings is the most reliable way to guarantee tomorrow's maximum audience reach.